So good evening to you all. So today we are going to learn how the filter method works in array. I want everyone to let you know that whenever we are using the filter method, what it happens, it creates a new array with the applied condition whatever we have applied. So let's go with the code, and we will learn from array of items to the array of objects, and in the last I will provide a practice question for you which you can share your code in the comment section. Now let's go. So first we will go with the filtering with the even numbers. Okay, so suppose we are having an array of items which contains some numbers from 1 to 10. So now we will write a code with the help of filter method which will gives us only the even number. So I am using this console log just to print the values. Okay, yeah. So in this numbers will contain the array with the help of filter method. Here it's an arrow function where we can pass whatever the parameter we want to pass. Either it can be the e or the number, whatever you feel you can pass the value. After that you can use that number. Okay, and with this divisible sign and double triple equal to 0. What this basically line means, where what we are doing in the array of items, we are applying a filter method over here. Each number it will check for the each number which is it divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, it will return that number, and in the response we will get an array of items which are divisible by 2. So now let's check. So now you can see what it is showing. It is showing that those numbers which are being divisible by 2. Move to the next question. So now we will apply a filter method, some more like from different level, from easy to a little bit difficult, or we can say. So now what we will do, we will apply a condition where if the string contains more than 5 characters, we will print those words only, basically those fruit names only. So console.log words dot filter, the filter same, we will pass word and ended word dot length. So word dot length, what it will do, it will check for the each string, each word, what is the length of each word. So now as our condition, we need the words which is greater than 5. So we will add a condition over this and just save. So now we will get only those fruits or those words which are greater than 5 characters. So you can see we are getting banana, orange and pineapple. Now here's a one trick we can say. So now if I'm going to replace it with 6, now if I save and will check. So now you can see I'm getting only pineapple, but over here you can see in orange also we are having 6 words. Okay, so but what is happening, I am using greater than, not the equal to sign. If I am going to use equal to sign, it will include this length of 6 as well. So now if I'm going to run this code, you can see we are getting those string or those words which has the characters of 6 or greater than 6. Great. I hope you all are like सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा what is going on easily. So now move to the next question. So now we will move to the next question, which is the array of objects. So अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? So basically till now what we are going, we are looking at the array of items. Okay, so now we will move it to the array of objects. So now let's see how array of objects work with the filter method. Okay, so now if we check for the items dot same filter, now suppose but over here you can see we can't just like e dot equal to e dot name or e dot whatever we can say e dot length something, because now this time it is array of objects. What it is now, this time it is array of objects instead of array of items. So to work with this we need to use the key name as well. So e dot key name. So now first we will check for e dot price which is greater than 1. So what will happen, we will get the result in array of objects who's having the price greater than 1. So now we save and we will print it. You will see we will getting array of objects which is having the price more than 1. Okay, and what we can say, it is simple, just a simple condition with the help of key value pairs. From there, from this we can apply many more conditions as well. So now let's go for the another condition which is making a multiple condition basically in array of objects only, and such type of conditions occurs in our coding more oftenly. Okay, so now let's move it to the next question, and suppose we have let people's to filter. Okay, so in that filter people, what will happen, so now we will apply multiple condition to get the result. So I want the result, I want the array of object whose people dot age is greater than 20 first. So now if we print, what we will see, we will get the people who is having the age greater than 20. Now apply, I want the people, I want the name, I want the people's whose gender is male basically. Let's go for it. People dot gender having a gender is female. So now if I'm going to save it and run, you can see I'm getting those objects whose gender is female and with the age of 30. Now let's make it more fun for this on this, and अभी हम क्या करते हैं, let's go for people dot name. Okay, now you can see if I'm going to replace it with the male. Okay, first check it with the male what it comes. Okay, so you are getting John. Now what I will do, I will add a equal to sign and I will get those two objects with Bob and John. So now what I will do, I will apply an AND operator. People dot name dot length. Similarly we are applied over in the first case, the second case. Okay, name is greater than 3. Okay, so now see what will happen, we will get only the one object. Okay, we are getting only the one object where we have applied the age 20 greater than equal to 20, gender male, with the name people whose key of that value is having the length of greater than 3. So what we are getting, we are getting this array of object which is containing the name more than 3 is John. So it is how the filter method works on different bases. So here is the question for you guys. So the question would be,